Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. What happens when humans take 160% more from nature globally than she can give us? Collapse. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature delivered its latest report concluding that human pressure is driving the Bornean orangutans, the world's largest fish, a plant-eating whale shark, hammerhead sharks, and winghead sharks to extinction. Ladies and gentlemen, extinction means forever. It's time for each of us to consume less, reuse materials like glass mason jars, and refuse petroleum-based, subsidized, climate-altering plastics. Nature is collapsing on land and under the sea around the globe. Let me remind you that we're in the midst of the sixth great extinction, being driven by humans. Animals, plants, microbes, insects are disappearing 1,000 times faster than any previous extinction, except when the meteorite 65 million years ago smacked into Earth, thrust it into a deep freeze, wiping the dinosaurs off the map quickly. The Bornean orangutan and its close cousin, the Sumatran orangutan, have gone from endangered to critically endangered. They're in huge strife. Why? Loathsome multinational corporations like Unilever, Kellogg's, Procter & Gamble, Wilmar, Cargill, and others have destroyed their homes, their wild jungles, burnt to the ground. Instead, planted with monoculture palm oil plantations. In nature, when creatures like orangutans lose their homes, they die. In Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, in 1973, there were approximately 300,000 orangutans. Today, their numbers are less than 85,000 and falling very quickly. Whale sharks are poached for their fins, for shark fin soup, and the insatiable demand for shark liver oil or squalene for sunscreen, lip balms, lipstick, eye makeup, moisturizers, and other cosmetics are off the charts high. These beautiful 60 feet long, gentle giants weighing over 30 plus tons are being wiped off the map, as are the winghead and hammerhead sharks. What the frack? Please, consume less. Our home, planet Earth, is our only home. What we do to planet Earth, we do to ourselves. Please also consider switching to a plant-based diet. It's compassionate, it's water smart, it's easy, and it's healthy. It's also the single biggest thing that each of us can do to help fight the climate in crisis, because animal agriculture contributes over 18% to the climate-altering greenhouse gases, and that's more than all transportation globally. Hashtag save nature now, hashtag love nature, hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners, so don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on that donate button. Or pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, or life, the wonder of it all. Just do it, drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.